And welcome to the Extra 300. The Extra 300 is an unlimited aerobatic monoplane that is made from carbon fiber, has a 300 horsepower engine, and has incredible maneuverability. We'll start out here by showing you a vertical roll. We're going to talk about rolls today in ways that you have maybe wondered why rolls are the way that they are and why an aileron roll is called an aileron roll. What's the difference between an aileron roll and a barrel roll and maybe a cinnamon roll? I don't know. But you have these different rolls that people talk about, and they're not interchangeable. They are different maneuvers, and we're going to talk about those, show you those maneuvers and why they're different. The first maneuver we're going to show you is a simple aileron roll. It's called an aileron roll because you see those big control surfaces out there that I'm wiggling around? Those are the ailerons, and they're the primary control input during an aileron roll. A simple aileron roll, that recreational roll, is where you pick the nose up a little bit and you push the stick over to the side and the plane just rolls around like that. You center the stick at wings level. So if we were going to do this as a competition or an air show roll, it'd kind of look like this. It'd be a little bit faster like that. The difference is, one is we're trying to maintain a level trajectory through the air, and the other one we really don't care, so we can pitch the nose way up, and we can do a really slow roll like this. And then when we end up upright, we're going to be a little bit nose down. That's basically how you learn to do an aileron roll, and then you can progress from there. The other type of roll, there's actually several types of rolls, but another type of roll that we do is called a slow roll. And a slow roll is slowly rolling the aircraft while keeping it going straight through the sky. So you'll notice during this maneuver that I'm going to encounter a little bit of negative G. As I roll the airplane and hold the nose up with the rudder and then start pushing forward on the stick to keep the nose above the horizon as I come around. And then I've got left rudder on the other side to keep the nose up. I lost a little bit of altitude. That wasn't perfect, but that gives you the idea of what a slow roll should look like. Now, as we'll reposition here and come over to the other side, I'm going to show you a barrel roll. So right there, as you look past the nose, that's Timpanogos. We're going to put Timpanogos on our left wing here and show you a barrel roll. A barrel roll is a cool maneuver because it's kind of a combination between a loop and a roll. And what we do is we start by pitching the nose up and then introducing, while we're still pulling, we're going to introduce a roll input, and that's going to put us inverted over there at Timpanogos. So up we go. We got plenty of airspeed, checking the airspace around us as we climb about 30 degrees nose up. And we're going to continue the roll, and we're going to start the pull. And there you go. There's Timpanogos inverted. And we just hold the control inputs that we have and come around, and we end up back on our original heading. That is a barrel roll. Pretty cool, right? And then you can do what's called a point roll, so we stop every 90 degrees. You kind of miss there. And there's 4 points on a roll. You can do 8 or 16 or however many you want. And just for giggles, we're talking about all these different kind of rolls. I'm getting kind of hungry. Why don't we do a cinnamon roll here? A cinnamon roll. Clear the airspace. Come on down. We're going to dive up for the cinnamon roll. Get the wings going straight up and down. There's 80, and we go full forward right corner stick with full right rudder, and the plane just spins around and kind of hangs in the air and eventually comes down. We can do a roll on the way down. Okay, there's the roll series. Thanks for joining us for the Pilot Maker Minute. We'll be back next time to talk about loops. Have a great day, everybody.
Pilot Maker's Advanced Flight Academy.